Tyler, explain what's going on.
What?
Explain what we're doing. Just explain to the camera.
I got it. Hey.
No, I got it.
Okay. Alright, okay.
No, see, hold up.
Alright.
See, there's a black guy in
Yeah,
our house, and
there's a black guy in our house. We're gonna scare the shit out of him. We're gonna get some of that stuff and cover me. It looks like blood, right? Got this.
Fucking
I can
chicken.
scream. We're gonna fucking scare him. Let's do this. Here, let me see that. Does it just squirt out, or is it?
It's chili base.
No, it's not. It's hot sauce, dude.
Yeah, it's
I was gonna
fucking.
look this
That's
up.
my dad has that. It's Mexican.
It's so good. No?
It's Japanese or whatever. Did you just fucking say I want to squirt that on you?
Fuck. Okay, here we go.
Oh man.
You have to smear it around.
I know.
He's gonna believe this shit.
Here, hold this for a second.
He's not gonna believe that, dude. Yeah.
Looks like
Dude.
Oh my god. Put it on your face.
Yeah, a little bit on my face. Did that look good?
Yeah, it looks great.
Alright, now let's get some on that saw blade.
Oh man.
Let's get some on both sides over here. Flip it over, flip it over.
You're paying way too much attention on the aesthetic.
Alright.
Yeah, that's weird.
That's got that here.
Okay, so what do we do?
Just start screaming like,
Then we should run upstairs.
No.
just stay.
No, he runs upstairs.
Okay. You look crazy.
Holy shit.
Alright. Right now?
Yeah, just go.
Holy shit! Fuck! Guys! Oh shit! What did you think, dude?
I don't know.
That was the dumbest thing.